Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of India's biggest banking frauds, the Punjab National Bank scam, often called the Nirav Modi scam. How did one man manage to pull off a fraud worth over $2 billion? Let's break it down. At the center of this story is Nirav Modi, a luxury diamond jeweler, and his uncle Mehul Choksi. The scam wasn't some complex digital hack. It was surprisingly old school and relied on exploiting loopholes within the banking system. It all hinged on something called a letter of undertaking, or LU. Think of a LU as a guarantee given by one bank to another. In this case, PNB was giving guarantees that allowed Nirav Modi's companies to get short-term loans from the overseas branches of other Indian banks, supposedly to import pearls and diamonds. Here's the catch. These LUs were issued by a couple of rogue PNB employees at a single branch in Mumbai. They did this without making any record of it in PNB's main accounting system. Instead, they used the Swift messaging network, a global system for financial messages, to send the LUs directly to the other banks. Because these transactions weren't in PNB's core system, the top management had no idea what was happening. For years, from 2011 to 2017, this went on. New LUs were issued to pay off the old ones, creating a massive, ever-growing cycle of debt. The whole thing came crashing down in early 2018 when the corrupt officials retired. When Nirav Modi's team approached the branch for a new set of LUs, the new staff asked for collateral, which is standard procedure. When Modi's firms couldn't provide it, the staff checked the records and found nothing. That's when they dug deeper and uncovered the unauthorized Swift messages. The bubble had burst. The initial estimate was around 280 crore rupees, but as investigators unraveled the web, the amount skyrocketed to over 14,000 crore rupees, which is about $2 billion. The fallout was huge. PNB's stock price plummeted, wiping out billions in market value. The scam exposed serious weaknesses in the Indian banking system, especially regarding operational risk and the failure to integrate the Swift system with the core banking software. So where are the key players now? By the time the scam was public, Nirav Modi and Mehul Choksi had already fled India. Nirav Modi was later arrested in London and is currently fighting extradition to India. Mehul Choksi, on the other hand, took citizenship in Antigua and Barbuda and has also been avoiding extradition. The case is still ongoing and Indian authorities are working to recover the stolen funds by auctioning off seized assets. The PNB scam serves as a stark reminder of how greed and systemic loopholes can lead to a catastrophic financial disaster. It prompted the Reserve Bank of India to enforce stricter regulations, forcing banks to link their Swift systems with their core banking solutions to prevent something like this from ever happening again. What do you think about this massive fraud? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into major events. See you in the next one.